I'm Lori Jokinen and I'm an EDS technician here at Team Healthcare. So what EDS stands for is electrodermal screening, and what it does is it tests energy running through the body. So there's pathways running through your body and they're connected to all your organs and systems. And by measuring that energy, we can tell how everything's working. So while EDS doesn't diagnose any conditions, we can use it as a functional test to see how all the systems and organs are functioning in your body. And then by using that information, we can use nutrition, herbals, homeopathics to strengthen the body, and we can also test for toxins. So when we find toxins in the body, we do the same thing. So what I'm going to be doing today with Anne is I'm going to be touching points on her hands and her feet. And all the points on the hands and the feet correspond to different organs and systems in the body. And by measuring that energy, we see how everything's working, see if she needs help in any places, any nutrition or anything like that. And we also test for the toxins to see if there's any detoxing that she needs to do. Okay, so the computer's going to make a noise every time I touch your hand or your foot, and you're going to see a line go up on the screen. When it goes in that green range, or it might look black, that's normal.
So are we just testing my body functions today?
We're going to
test right now.
We're going to test that first, and then after that, we're going to look at toxins.
Okay.
So right there's normal. If it goes above that, it means it's stressed, and it goes below that, it means it's weakened. At the bottom, you can see exactly what I'm testing every time in that blue area. So this is similar to acupuncture in that we're affecting energy. However, with acupuncture, they want to balance your energy with needles, and with this, we're just measuring it and balancing it with nutrition. So now we're going to screen through toxins and see what we find. So we checked all your organs and saw that everything's working pretty well. So you don't need to do much nutrition with those, but we're going to look through toxins and see if we find anything there and see if there's any detoxing you need to do. Okay, so we're going to test a couple supplements for you to see if they agree with your body or not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set these up on here. Now what this does is it picks up the vibrational frequency of what's in the bottle, just like a magnet would do. So way back in high school, when you took a magnet under the table and you could move metal on top of the table, that's because that magnet can pick up the vibrational frequency of what's in that metal. So protons, neutrons, electrons, all that stuff. Well, supplements have that too. So it can pick that up through the bottle and it changes your energy reading when I test you. So we're going to test to make sure that it doesn't go out of balance when we put it on there. And it doesn't, so that means that it's okay for you to take. Now what I like to do is take that off and see what happens. And your energy point weakens without it. So that's your body saying, give that back, I like that, I need vitamin C. So it's a good way to test if you need a supplement or if you don't. And we can do the same thing with vitamin D. So that's good for you.
Oh my.
And your body really likes that. So we would definitely make sure that you're taking